So children, when nouns are concerned, or if you take grammar in general, we need to do a lot of exercise so that we will become very thorough with the topic. So the more exercise you do, the more familiar you will become with the concepts. So I have another exercise and I'm going to find out the nouns or circle the nouns in these particular sentences. So let us move on to the sentences. So we have the first sentence is, a monkey is sitting on a branch of the tree. So a monkey is sitting on the branch of the tree. So I'm going to circle the nouns in these sentences. So the first noun is a monkey. It is the name of an animal. A monkey. Branch again is the name of a thing, and tree is the name of a thing. So we have three nouns in these sentences, that is monkey, branch and tree. In the next sentence, there is a bridge over the stream. I repeat, there is a bridge over the stream. So what are the nouns there? The nouns are bridge, the word bridge, and the word stream. So these are the two names of things, bridge and stream. Moving on to the next sentence is, the pen is in his pocket. So what are the two nouns we find in this sentence? The pen is in his pocket. So the first word is pen and the second word is pocket. So pen and pocket are the two nouns in these sentences. The next sentence is, a teacher is teaching the class in school. Again, a teacher is teaching the class in school. So we have three nouns in this sentence. So the word teacher is the name of a person. Class again is a collective noun that we have learnt about, and the school is the name of a place. So we have three nouns in this sentence, that is teacher, class and school. The next sentence, the pilot is in the jet. The pilot is in the jet. So what are the nouns we find in this sentence? The noun is pilot. Pilot is the name of a person or the profession of a person, and jet is a thing. It's a vehicle that you use. So pilot and jet are the two nouns in the sentence. The next sentence we have, the boy saw the wolf. So we have to find out what are the nouns in this sentence. The boy saw the wolf. So boy is the common noun that we've come across, and wolf is the name of the animal, of an animal. So the words boy and wolf are the nouns in the sentence. The next sentence, the wolf is near the sheep. The wolf is near the sheep. So the words wolf and sheep are the two nouns in the sentence. The next sentence, the farmer is in his farm. The farmer is in his farm. So the word farmer is the name of a person and farm is the name of a place. So these two words are the nouns in the sentence. So let us see all the nouns that we have found in these sentences. Monkey, branch, tree, bridge, stream, pen, pocket, teacher, class, school, pilot, jet, boy, wolf, sheep, farmer, farm. So these are all the nouns that we have found in the sentence, and it is a mixture of common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns.